Is buying Tesla at 900 to 1,000 a good idea?
So what we're seeing is, it might not be because so the last time we were trying to buy Tesla, it was in this flag. Some of us still caught it. Shout out Zord. Zord's still in this thing, I think. That was really the last technical setup. You could have bought here, this 850 area, a momentum. But I think since then, it hasn't really given a great setup. I know it had this monster day off 900, but now we're seeing it just looks a little tired, looks exhausted up here. You know, it traded above 1,000. You know, it like checked it off the belt or whatever you call it. But now it's kind of, you know, running out of steam. So I think Tesla might cool off for a little bit.
Yeah, just a casual 300% run up in 3 months.
Well, I mean, we were trying to buy this 800 and it seemed nuts, but then it went right to, you know, 1030. So, you know, Tesla's a different animal.
Beast.